In this video, I will show you how I created a mortgage calculator using the GoHighLevel AI Studio and Claude in under 5 minutes. If you are not familiar with the GoHighLevel AI Studio, it's a newly launched vibe coding platform where you can write prompts and it will create you websites, landing pages, and web applications. And if you want to know more, I have covered everything about the AI Studio in a couple of videos. I will link those in the description so you can go ahead and watch those. But in this video, I just wanted to show you how I came up with such a good project in under 5 minutes. And all I used is the AI Studio and Claude. And by the way, the AI Studio is completely free. So if you have a GoHighLevel subscription or a free trial, you can definitely use it. What I did is when you go to GoHighLevel AI Studio from your account, and again, you have to enable it from labs until they make it live on all the accounts. When you go to the AI Studio, you can write a prompt here and then it will create a project for you according. For more details, watch those videos that I referred to. Instead of writing the prompt here, what I did is I went to Claude first and then I wrote a very simple prompt saying, can you write me a prompt for my Vibe Coding Studio to create a mortgage calculator. It should calculate mortgage via a multi-step form, one question at a time, and as a last step, ask for name, email, phone number, and generate the result after submit. And here's what it came up with. It's a very detailed prompt. So if I wrote this prompt, which is a very minimal, simple prompt, it doesn't have a lot of details, the AI Studio would have come up with a much simpler project, which is not this dynamic. Once I wrote this prompt in Claude, and this is a practice that I've come up with and I've been using it lately, instead of writing the final prompt, I asked AI to generate the prompt for me because prompts generated by AI, for some reason, are much better and detailed and have more context than the prompts that we usually write. Here's what it came up with. Build a modern responsive mortgage calculator web app using a multi-step form that presents one question at a time with smooth transitions between steps. It actually started with that and then it gave the AI all the questions. So it has step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it also has some instructions on what to do after submit. It also has some design requirements, which is quite amazing. And this is the formula to calculate the mortgage, monthly mortgage payment. So here's the whole prompt, not the code itself. I just literally copied it and then I went to AI and I basically wrote it here. So when you write it here, it will create you this project within a couple of minutes or 3 minutes. So that's why I said it took me under 5 minutes to come up with it. So I just wrote the whole thing here. You see, and then it actually created it and it said, I built a modern responsive multi-step mortgage calculator with a clean UI, professional blue accent, and smooth transitions. It includes real-time validation, a lead capture form, and a comprehensive results dashboard with a pie chart breakdown. Let me show you what it said. Let's do a test real quick so I can show it to you. So I will say the home price is 500,000. The down payment will be 100,000. So it is calculating the percentage, the down payment, how much the percentage is of the whole price in real time. So what's your preferred loan time? Let's say 30 years. What's the annual interest rate? I will say 6.5. What is the estimated annual property tax? I will say 6,000. And then I will say, is your estimated annual home insurance 1,500? And as the last step, it's asking me for my details. So I'll just say test, and then this is my number. There you go. So it calculated the monthly payment and it has a nice breakdown of how much the property tax, the principal interest, and the insurance money is per month. And here's a quick summary. So that's what I want. If you want to create a mortgage calculator, trust me, there's no better place to create it than the AI Studio nowadays because it will save you hours of time. You don't have to code anything. You don't have to use any drag and drop builder. You don't have to come up with a bulky page and then start working on the page optimization. None of that. If you want to make any changes, like you can say, okay, this page is really basic looking. It only has the form and that's it. Now, if you want to add a title, you can go back to Claude and say, okay, some title ideas for the page. Hey there everyone, just wanted to take a few seconds from this video to talk about my school community where if you join, first of all, you get to ask me questions about high level, Google Ads, Meta Ads, SMMA, anywhere you're stuck in the build, any issues you're facing on anything. You can see there's loads of questions in the community. We interact here all the time. Then you can have access to all my courses in the classroom. I have courses on GoHighLevel Automation AI, courses on Google PPC Ads, Meta Ads, how to launch your SMMA, how to scale your SMMA, and a bunch of other stuff. Also, there's a template library you can see here, a lot of resources on Google Ads, Meta Ads, funnels, GoHighLevel workflows. There are built-in snapshots ready to go, literally load into your account and then start using them. Loads of GoHighLevel CSS, and I'm adding stuff to it every day. And one of my most favorite things in the community is the calendar section where we have a couple of events going on every week. First of all, there's the weekly Q&A. Secondly, there's the weekly coaching session where we cover a specific topic every week and then we do a short Q&A on that topic. So if you want to join the community, there's a link in this video's description which will take you to the sign up page. and I will see you on the other side. Now let's get back to the video. And you can see, right, instead of writing prompts directly in AI, I'm first coming up with some instructions for the AI using AI. So that's actually quite good. Calculate in your mortgage in 60 seconds, add a title. If you want better instructions, you can just say, okay, write a prompt for the AI studio to add this headline in the best way possible. Add this headline above form, and then see the prompt it will write will definitely be better than the prompt you will write. There we go. See? So I will just put it here and then wait until it generates the headline on this page. While this is cooking, let me go back to Claude and let me show you something else. So if I just write a prompt saying that, can you give me some ideas on how to improve the conversion rate of this page? Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, trust and credibility, add your information is secure and never sold, reducing friction, mobile phone number optional, progress and momentum, lead capture step, post result hooks, biggest ever, honestly. Let's just say I want it as a prompt. I'm up for it, and then I'll say, okay, create me a prompt with whatever you just said so the AI can make these changes. So I'll say, write me a prompt following all of the above so the AI make these optimizations on the page. And let's see what it comes up with now. There we go. Have a look at the whole prompt, guys. It's amazing. Like, how long would it take you to create such a prompt, such a detailed prompt, right? And by the way, if you want to know how I come up with prompts and if you want to have access to my resources and how I use AI and stuff like that, everything is on my school community. We have literally a course covering how I use AI for digital marketing daily. So you can watch that by joining my school community, link in description. I will just copy this whole thing and I will put it here. Now let's see what happens. All right, here's the end result. It did do some changes. And let's see, let's look at the summary. I've optimized the mortgage calculator for higher conversions, added a trust bar, auto advance for loan terms, live running estimate bar, okay, and a blurred results teaser before the optimized lead capture form. Also included a testimonial PDF download and a share functionality on the results page, which is quite amazing. Let's see, let's view the site. Let's do another test now. All right, so, okay, we have the bar here, 500,000. Nice, I like it. Okay, let's say 20 years this time. What's the annual interest rate? 7%. So it changes in real time. Nice. Wow. Even I wasn't aware of this, guys. I'm just learning as we go. What's your estimated annual home insurance? Ooh, nice. This is next level. This is literally the next level, guys. Show me my results. I love it, guys. So this is what it can do. Instead of writing prompts directly, this is what happens when you generate the prompt using AI. So I hope we all learned something very useful today. And yeah, this is pretty much what I wanted to share. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. And let me know if you have any questions in my video's comments.